painting, we doing this man's mask to the gruffalo, and we have to put in our head, and I'm the mouse, and he's the gruffalo, and he's stomping because he's a gruffalo, and I'm not stomping because I'm a mouse.
Okay, so today's project we're going to do some recycling again with cardboard and plastic bottles and.
Mama, why game?
Because we did once, so we're gonna use papers and cardboards to make masks and some dress up for the kids. Yeah, the castle is ready. Kinda. So we're planning to do the gruffalo, and we're planning to do some maybe robot or maybe some kind of bird, maybe princess, maybe helmet. I'm not sure yet.
And baby mouse and baby gruffalo and baby mouse.
Yeah. Let's see what it will be. I hope you're going to enjoy it, and let's start.
Man.
Very good. Okay, trace the eyes as well. Now put it back and trace the eyes. Very good. What we did first, we decided to make it a 3D as well, like always, because we love the 3D objects. So first we cut this mask out. I'm sure you can find any kind of mask online. And then we traced first the full mask, and then I cut the jaw out and the nose, and then I cut another paper from another paper. I cut the jaw and the nose, and then I cut the tongue, and I traced the tongue as well in another paper. So it's already look a little bit 3D, and we will gonna work about it a little bit. And for my daughter I made it a little bit bigger. So let's continue. For the masks I used pizza paper. So now to make them 3D, the next step is to cut these stripes on the sides. It's really good because all these stripes are same size, and when you cut this stripe you want to cut these in half as well, so then you end up having these stripes. Once we have the stripes, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to trace these jaw. For example, you have to stick this on the base, standing up along the line of the jaw, and then we will stick the jaw on the top, and then you do the same with the nose, and then you take another stripe and you trace only the tongue and put the tongue on the top of the jaw. When I do that, then I come back and see you how it look. If you fold these paper both sides like this, then it will be easier to glue it down, because this will be a ridge and it will stand up. So I think we should go ahead like that. So now we have our gruffalos here, and the next step is to use this masking tape and tape it all around. So once you taped it all around, you can paint it. because otherwise it's difficult to paint. For example, if you use the tape like me, this won't get the paint on, it will get off of it. So this is how it should look like, and now go ahead and paint this with some kind of paint what you have. And once you're finished, you make a hole in the two sides, and you can use a rope or a rubber band to fasten it on your children. And that's that. I will come back and show you when ours is ready.